What is up, everybody? It's Larry back with you, and today we're going to be talking about something that I'm a huge fan of, and anytime somebody reaches out to me, I say, okay, please send me what you have. So this is the BOSMA X1. This is a wireless camera security system. As you can see here, it's 1080p, 360-degree vision, which we'll talk about in a second, starlight vision, smart hub camera. So you have apps at Apple and Google Play, of course. So here's some functions over here. You have Wi-Fi, smart hub, you can add more devices, starlight vision, you have IR night vision, real two-way radio audio, motion detection, sound detection, HDR, 1-minute setup, compatible with Alexa, and 120 gig SD card support. So this has a doorbell and a door and window detector, is what it's telling me here. So let's take a look. So here is the actual X1. And then we have some very nice labeled packaging here. You have a manual down here. So you have a quick start guide, set this stuff over here. But in here we have the power adapter, which is USB, micro USB, and a wall adapter. 5 volt, okay. We're not quick charging, so that's fine. We have a little doorbell. Let's see if we can get this out. Okay. So very simple. Looks like it's just a full push button doorbell. Then we have a door and, I think, and or window detection. This would pretty much go on your door, I think. I mean, you can put it on your window as well, so if someone opens a window, but me personally, I think this is going to be on my door. So you have some 3M tape on the back. You pull this to sort of activate it so the battery's live. It's a very sleek look. I like the look of everything. But the star of the show right here is this camera. So, and the way it gets, like I said, 360-degree vision is this actually rotates 360 degrees. So that's at least unique to me. You don't see that very often. It looks like we have the speaker at the bottom here. In the back, you have your micro USB. So right here above this back shiny area here is your SD card slot and your reset button. See what it's gonna take to get this together. So just looking around it, you have the infrared light here, a light sensor, obviously your camera lens, and then another sensor at the bottom, micro SD card slot in the back, reset button we talked about, micro USB port for power. We talked about all this. Curious about its high dynamic range, but download the BOSMA Smart app. And then to set it up, sign up and create an account, log in, turn the Bluetooth on, select the Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi network, obviously. You can get live video playback. You can see live video or check video playback by sliding the timeline to the right. Two-way audio, it's pretty standard. After a doorbell or door sensor is added, you can set a new position for the BOSMA X1. Once the doorbell rings and the sensor is triggered, the BOSMA will turn to the preset position automatically. Now that is pretty cool, because then if you get it set up and the door's over here and the doorbell rings, as soon as it rings, this thing's going to turn around and start taking a look at your door. So that's pretty interesting. In my house, I have a door and then we have a large window that are all sort of on the front porch. So this would be interesting for me to have this set up in the living room, and if the doorbell rings, to sort of have it pan over sort of in between the window and the door to sort of try to get to see both. You have night vision. So you have, let's see, I'm curious about the starlight. Offers 2 types of night vision. One is low light color vision, supported by the Starlight sensor, which is a sensor that can see color videos in very low light. You can see color videos in very low light environments. The other is traditional infrared sensor. Huh, that's interesting. So you turn on the Starlight whether it's on or off. And then you can have push notifications. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this set up. It looks like it's very easy to set up as soon as you download the app. So I'm gonna do that after this video. As I always say, if you guys want more updates on this stuff, leave me a comment down in the comment section and I'll hit you back if you have any questions. So I'm always updating different products that I get on IG stories or on Twitter. So make sure you guys follow me there if you guys want to see some more information about this. But I'm going to get this set up and I'm very curious because I have a few systems that I've used in the past that I like very much, but I'm always looking to try new stuff, and I love that this has the 360-degree vision. So that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you can hit the thumbs up. If you've yet to subscribe, you can do that down below. You can hit the little bell icon that's right next to that subscribe button. Hit that, and then you'll get notifications on your device every time I upload a video, so that's cool. And that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it again, and I will talk to you in the next one.